Hello, this is Mike from Headquarter Audio, and you see it there. And in the last video, I told you that there will be in the next days a new device in my rig, and the device arrived today. And yes, my back, it hurts a little bit because this device is about, I will see, 55 kilos. And to bring it up here, the stairs are there, and to bring it up was very difficult for my back, and so, but everything's all right, and so I have to tell you some details about this new device in my rig. And I told you it's tube device, and the manufacturer of this device is known under the name Line Magnetic from China. And yeah, the German distributor and sent me this device, so very nice for testing and for this video. And I will test it now and bring you some details about it. And for me, it's important to make a step up. We heard Kinky EXM1 and with my Krell KAV300 integrated amp. This is an integrated amp too here, the LM845 Premium. I know that it's the biggest one from them, and it's in 2 pieces, so very good for my back. And yeah, it's a single-ended triode, I think triode, and with 22 watts per channel. And yeah, it's not my first time with tube sound. I had some capsule monoblocks a long time, I think 20 years ago. And yeah, a self-made pre with tubes, and it was very musical and very, very good. And yeah, then there was something new, and it's gone. So now I'm a little bit older, and I'll go back to the roots, or back to tube sound. And so here is the Line Magnetics, and I will show you that. No, it's about 30 watts here, but I think 22 in the specs. We will see. Tube sound or tube watts are other watts. All say 22 is enough for every device, for every speaker. My speaker is about 93 dB, and so it's enough power. And the quality of sound is important for me. Not to hear very loud or some techno bass or something. This kind of music is not mine, but the colors in the music, and I hope tube sound, space. Tube sound is space, and space is and the single spots of the instruments, and yeah, emotion. That is tube sound known for, and I hope so. This will bring me to this point. And I will show you. It's single-ended, it's Class A, and this is a good way, and it's an old way, 40, 50, 60 years ago, and this is the best sound today, still today. Okay, we will see. And I will show you now these big cases of the tube amplifier, integrated amp, and so there it is. 2 big cases, fresh from China. And so I will open it and show you more. But you see, it's double packed, and it's a long way from China to me. And this is well made here. Very, very nice. Protection is all. Better protection is less problems. I will do it more. So manual is here, operation manual, and yes, I will do it there. And here's a remote for the unit, and it's I think it's only volume and mute, and that's all. Oh, very nice, small, aluminium, good quality. No, okay. So this is the biggest protection I ever had here. Very, very nice. Very nice. There it is. Yeah. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. So I think it's impossible. Only me, only I can do this. I'm Mr. Universe, I think, but it's impossible. It's so deep there inside, and to push it up alone, blah. Oh, I need a minute. This is the second part of the device, and I hope it's not so heavy, but we will see. I will put it on my desk here. There, and then we will see. And there I see a snake on the bottom. Nah, oh, no, ha! This is the cabling. Okay, so now next step. So here we are. It's the first part, and I had to wear some gloves here because it's very shiny, black glossy. Oh, it's piano lacquer. I don't know the word for it, but it's black and shiny. And this is the name of the brand. And so I will show you. And the next step is this one. It's so well packed, and now I show you the whole device from the front, and a little bit later I show you all in detail. I will make it for you now. Nice, the tubes, the package away from the tubes, and then I show you the whole device. Okay, bye. So I put the cage away, and the protection cage there, and now I can do it this way. Open up everything. With one hand it's a little bit difficult. I think I have to check everything if it's on its place, and so last one. Yeah, here we are, and now you can see this. Wow, so beautiful. These are two for both channels, one red one and a white one, or silver one. And here you can trim the bias. I will show you this next. Power button. And here backlight and feedback, max or minimum. And pre-in, this is important for me, I think. Yeah? And these are so beautiful machined, and it looks so nice. Wonderful. Oh, my heart will go on. Wow. And so on top, here are the tubes. .845 single-ended, 300B, 310, and preamp tube is here, ECC 83. Yeah. That's it. Now on top, see, that's beautiful. Hum balance and bias adjustment for both channels. It's a dual mono design. Yeah, here in the middle. You can make here. It's a dual mono, left and right, and then the separate case here device is for. I will show you the back, and you will see. The output transformers are in this unit, separately from the other device, and so it's easier for cabling, and for my back it's easier. And here you see it's for the cables I showed you before, the snakes. Yeah, and now the back side of the amp part, the tube part of it, I will show you. There is line 1, 2, 3 and pre-in. I think line 1 is RCA and balanced input, and preamp in is very nice sockets here. Wow, very nice, very nice. And yeah, this is the output one here to go to there. Yeah, and so you see CE. Watch that. And then the other channel. Okay, so I have to work now, and we will bring it to sound and to light. These are tubes. I hope they will bring me light. Okay. Also, pre-in. One advantage of this amp is you can use it as an integrated amp, not a full integrated. So this one is pre, and it will, yeah, how can I say this? It will go to the amp side, yeah, directly, without the preamp side inside of the integrated amp, and so you can jump over the volume pot, yeah, and the volume pot, I think it's maybe the preamp side of this amp is maybe could be better, and so you can make a step forward with a preamp. But we will see, and we will hear, and if it is necessary to have a preamp, or if it's okay like this. I think we will. It's a surprise. Bye. So now cabling is finished, and my advice is for you, if you choose a tube amp, please do cabling first. Before you power up the amp, please do cabling including speaker and RCA to DAC, and everything must be finished before you can power up the amp. And I've done this now, and we will see. Nice. 30 seconds. It needs to heat up, and then we will go. The tubes must hold their specs and needs a little bit time. So I heard this a little pop on the speakers, and now it's opened. And volume pot with a nice LED point. So backlight on off. Yeah, I hear with non-feedback or to minimum, and so let's try. Cold and fresh from China. I make a pause now, and I will show you the device in the dark. So this beautiful device, and now it's a little bit later because I have to cut the video again because no one is allowed to hear Eva Cassidy, and so the copyright shut me down, and so I will give a new light here to bring it back to light, and will say some words to this device. It's now a few hours on power, and I think it's yeah, it's a completely different sound. Yeah, and you hear it's a new device, and it wants to play, but it's new, and the tubes are new, and the capacitors are new, and yeah, you can hear that, and yeah. But the first sound I heard was the voice in the middle. It's fixed. It's nailed there, and yeah, and it's relaxed. A relaxed sound, and I like it. I like it a lot. So this was my review of Line Magnetic, and it's a 845 Line Magnetic Premium. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you enjoyed this one. It's so nice. And next step or next video is with music, and I will show you what this device can do for me in musicality and natural sounding and transients, more headroom maybe. So we will see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumb up. I hope so. Yeah, that's for me.